sitting at home with the family, not having to step out, and definitely not to drive. We have this great newfound love for Punjabi movies. So we have watched pretty much each and every title across Netflix and Amazon of Punjabi movies. And we have this great insight as a family that Netflix movies only take people to UK and Amazon Prime movies only take people to Canada. So and I think this was a realization which came to us. But actually, if you look at each and every title, you would find this to be true. All Netflix movies are Punjabis landing up in UK. All Amazon Prime movies are Punjabis landing up in Canada. Favorite movie is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, and for us, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is the best family time. So whenever we don't have anything else to do in our house, you will see that Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is played. There's a book by Louis Gessner. This is about his journey in making IBM. That's one of my favorite books because I think Louis Gessner came to IBM, if I'm right, in beginning of the 90s when IBM was largely a hardware company, and in his tenure of I think 10 to 14 years, transforming it into a full-blown SI, where I think more than 60% of the revenue came in from services, is a journey. And he's a great writer. He has explained it in a very beautiful manner, a step-by-step approach towards transforming a company from what it was, a 100-year-old company, within a 10-year time frame, completely changing the revenue profile of the company. So that remains till date one of my favorite books. Yeah. I was a fairly obedient, studious sort of a child. So, not many times, I don't remember that I have given a lot of grief to my parents ever. Not a lot of time. That all credit goes to my brother. He did whatever had to be done. Like any other Indian kid, it was cricket. But I have played a lot of table tennis as well. I have never earned any accolade in table tennis, but I still believe anyone who is an average table tennis player, I can beat him. My father was posted in Guwahati for about 1.5 years, and there was one weird train called Awadh Assam. Awadh Assam had this notorious thing of getting delayed by 24 plus hours. So I remember a couple of times we would have gone to Guwahati. At least one of the times we spent 15 hours on Lucknow station before boarding the train. And it was me, my mother, and my brother waiting for Awadh Assam to arrive and take us through a 45 hour journey to Assam, to Guwahati. My father got posted from Bhopal to Lucknow in mid session. I was in fifth grade, and we got posted sometime in September. So we were fairly good students, both me and my brother. And we landed up in this new school in Lucknow. So I think that year Dussehra would have been beginning October. So September end there were exams, and too many subjects, and course was completely different. This was UP board. We were in CBSE in Bhopal, and we had just 20 days to cover up and appear for an exam. Those 20 days, every time I used to stand up in the assembly in the morning, there was always an uncomforting feeling, and that because the 20 days later there's an exam and I don't know anything about it. And in fifth grade, in that half yearly exam, I got a 45th rank amongst 61 or 62 students which we had. Our mother was very particular about studies. I think those 20 days, she would have written notes for both me and my brother. Uh, taking copies from other students, copying it overnight. So all credit goes to her that we even secured a 45th rank in that exam. I still can feel sometimes, right, standing in the assembly and getting that uncomfortable feeling that kuch gadbad hai, kuch ho nahi raha hai. If I have a very big customer presentation coming or a big investor presentation coming, I get that same uncomfortable feeling in the stomach even now. So it's the same feeling. It happens every time there is something which I perceive as difficult. I get that feeling.